The following will be a Python program to check Armstrong number. To lead off, your first question is probably, what's an Armstrong number? It'll be easier to see if I start off with an example, then define it. Let's look at the number 153. If we take the sum of each of its digits cubed, we get an interesting result. 1 cubed is obviously 1. 5 cubed is 125. So that puts our partial sum at 126. Last, 3 cubed is 27. I wouldn't blame you if you had to get your calculator out here, but 126 plus 27 is 153. So, in this case, 153 is an Armstrong number because the sum of each of its digits cubed equals itself. More generally, though, this applies to numbers with any amount of digits. A given number x is an Armstrong number if x is equal to the sum of each of its digits raised to the power of the number of digits it has. More simply, put by example, a 2-digit number is an Armstrong number if it equals the sum of each of its digits squared. A 4-digit number is an Armstrong number if it equals the sum of its digits to the 4th power, and so on for any amount of digits. Now that we're clear on the definition, let's actually write the code. We will let the user enter any number to check if it's an Armstrong number. So, num equals int constructor of input of please enter a number. Next, we'll find the number of digits in num. So, num digits equals len of stir constructor of num. After that, we'll set up a few variables to work with. Temp equals num. This is so we can work on a temporary copy of the number without mutating the original number. And total equals 0. We're going to begin as sum later on, but since Python already has a built-in sum function, we call this variable total. While temp does not equal 0, we will loop. First, we'll get the next digit by doing digit equals temp mod 10. This extracts the last digit in the number. Next, we'll add to our Armstrong checking total. So, total plus equals digit to the power of num digits. Finally, we want to lop off the last part of temp, so on the next run of the loop, we can look at the next digit up. We don't want to be left with any floats in temp, so we do rounding division with temp divided by equals 10. After that, we'll have our total and can do a simple check to see if our number is an Armstrong number. If total equals num, then print f-string num is an Armstrong number. Otherwise, else print f-string num is not an Armstrong number. If we run this code and enter 153, you'll see that 153 is an Armstrong number. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.